The auto industry is no stranger to change, but the latest developments have sent shockwaves throughout the industry. From strikes and job fears at Stellantis to Honda's massive recall and Rivian's strategic partnerships, a lot is happening in the automotive world. Not to mention, voestalpine reorganized its automotive component business in Germany and had a heavy law enforcement presence at a Pitt County automotive business. It's clear that the auto industry is undergoing some major changes, and it's important for us to understand what's happening and how it might impact the future. Did you know that the global automotive finance market is expected to hit a whopping $325.2 billion by 2029? That's an insane amount of money. This explosive growth in the auto industry's financial landscape is shaking things up big time. With the rapid rise of electric vehicles, changing consumer preferences, and global uncertainties, the auto finance world is facing a wild ride of transformation. Today, we're going to uncover the latest financial news rocking the auto industry and how it's shaping the future of cars as we know it. Stay tuned and get ready to shift gears with us. The state of the auto industry and its financial trends. The global automotive industry has been experiencing significant transformations due to technological advancements, evolving consumer preferences, and global economic trends. However, recent developments have sent shockwaves through the industry, causing an unprecedented financial shift. Previously, the auto industry saw a growing demand for electric vehicles, increasing investments in autonomous driving technology, and a rise in shared mobility services. These trends led to fluctuations in vehicle sales, with car makers engaging in mergers, acquisitions, and strategic partnerships to remain competitive. Stellantis, one of the world's largest automakers, has been facing strikes and job fears. As the company navigates these challenges, its financial stability and future growth will be impacted. Honda recently announced a massive recall affecting millions of vehicles globally. This recall would lead to significant economic implications for the automaker and consequences for consumer confidence in the brand. Rivian, an EV startup, has entered into strategic partnerships with major industry players. These collaborations could shape the future of electric vehicles and impact the overall EV market share. voestalpine, an Austrian company, is reorganizing its automotive component business in Germany. This move will influence the competitive landscape within the automotive component industry and affect supply chains. In Pitt County, North Carolina, a notable automotive business experienced a heavy law enforcement presence. Although details remain scarce, this event could have potential financial implications for the local automotive industry. These recent developments demonstrate the dynamic nature of the auto industry and its financial landscape. As the industry continues to evolve, it will be crucial for automakers and related businesses to stay agile, adapt to changing trends, and embrace innovation to remain competitive in the global market. The major shift. Several significant financial events have recently impacted the global automotive industry, including mergers, acquisitions, funding rounds, and bankruptcies. For example, the formation of Stellantis, the world's fourth largest automaker, is a result of the merger between Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and PSA Group in January 2021. This merger brought together 14 well-known automobile brands such as Dodge, Jeep, and Maserati under one umbrella. With a focus on differentiation, Stellantis aims to introduce over 25 fully electric vehicles in the U.S. by 2030 and provide innovative mobility solutions worldwide. The merger came at a critical time for Chrysler, which had faced significant financial challenges and failed mergers in the past. The collaboration between FCA and PSA Group aimed to create a more balanced and profitable automotive powerhouse capable of competing with other industry giants. As Stellantis navigates the automotive landscape, it has faced labor-related issues, including a 6-week UAW strike targeting all Big Three automakers in 2023. Despite these challenges, Stellantis remains committed to offering a diverse range of vehicles and pushing the boundaries of innovation in the industry. Also, Lordstown Motors has faced significant financial struggles in recent years, leading to various challenges for the electric truck manufacturer. In August 2024, Lordstown Motors implemented layoffs due to economic pressures, industry shifts, and internal restructuring efforts. These layoffs were driven by cash flow issues, which have hindered the company's ability to begin commercial manufacturing. To address its financial challenges, Lordstown Motors filed for bankruptcy protection in 2024, putting the company up for sale. The situation was further complicated by a lawsuit against Foxconn, Lordstown's biggest shareholder and former partner, whom the company accused of trying to destroy its business. The company's financial difficulties have also coincided with leadership changes, including the resignation of CEO Steve Burns in June 2021. Those are two notable examples of the recent financial events impacting the global automotive industry. Also, to better understand the shifts in the automotive industry, it's important to look at key financial data such as stock prices, sales figures, and investment amounts. For example, analyzing the price-to-sales ratios of companies can help evaluate the value of stocks and identify trends. Historical stock prices can also provide insight into past performance and potential future direction. Additionally, keeping an eye on market movers such as top gainers can give you a sense of which companies are performing well and may be worth further investigation. By staying informed about these key financial indicators, you can better understand the dynamics at play in the auto industry and make more informed investment decisions. The recent news in the automotive industry echoes some themes from previous events, such as labor disputes and evolving demand for electric vehicles. For example, the Italian auto workers' strike and Stellantis struggles with production plans are reminiscent of past labor disputes within the industry. Meanwhile, the news about Rivian's stock performance and voestalpine's reorganization of its automotive component business highlight ongoing shifts in the market as companies adapt to changing consumer preferences and technological advancements. In the context of the industry's history, these cultural events demonstrate the ongoing challenges and opportunities faced by automakers as they navigate an ever-evolving landscape. Implications of the shift. The recent shifts in the automotive industry are forcing major manufacturers to adapt their strategies and business models to stay competitive. To remain competitive, manufacturers must embrace digital technologies such as automation, AI, and data analytics to optimize production processes and improve decision-making. In an uncertain world, manufacturers must also focus on building agile and resilient supply chains, enabling them to respond quickly to changing market conditions and mitigate risks. As the demand for electric vehicles grows, manufacturers must invest in sustainable technologies and practices to meet consumer expectations and comply with regulatory requirements. By adapting to these shifts, major manufacturers can position themselves for success in a rapidly evolving industry. The wave of mergers, acquisitions, and financial restructuring within the automotive industry can also impact consumers. These structural changes can affect vehicle availability and pricing with potential consequences for purchasing decisions. For example, consolidation may lead to discontinuation of certain models, reducing consumer choice. Operational challenges such as large-scale recalls and financial struggles faced by some manufacturers can erode consumer confidence in specific brands or the industry as a whole. This may prompt consumers to seek out more reliable and established brands or consider alternative transportation options. On the positive side, heightened competition within the industry can benefit consumers by driving improvements in vehicle quality, features, and pricing. Consumers may also enjoy a greater variety of vehicle options, reflecting the diversity of technologies and designs emerging in the market. What's next? The shift towards electric vehicles, technological advancements, and the growing focus on sustainability in the automotive industry will profoundly impact the industry's future. As EVs become more prevalent and technology improves, the industry is expected to witness a rapid transition away from internal combustion engines. Governments are also driving this shift through emissions, regulations, and incentives for EV adoption. Financial pressures and the high costs of developing new technologies would also lead to further consolidation through mergers and acquisitions. Smaller companies may find it challenging to compete with larger players, leading to a more concentrated industry landscape. The growth of EVs and sustainable technologies will reshape the industry's supply chains, creating new demand for components such as batteries and electric motors while reducing the need for traditional engine parts. Advancements in autonomous driving technology and vehicle connectivity would revolutionize the transportation experience, with potential impacts on car ownership models and the emergence of new mobility services. Consumers will also continue to demand more eco-friendly and technologically advanced vehicles, pushing automakers to innovate and prioritize sustainability in their strategies. The transformative shift towards electric vehicle sustainability and technological innovation profoundly reshapes the industry, demanding adaptability, resilience, and commitment to change. While challenges abound, the opportunities for growth, collaboration, and innovation are vast. As automakers navigate the complexities of this evolving landscape, they must remain steadfast in their pursuit of a more sustainable and efficient transportation ecosystem. By forging new partnerships, embracing emerging technologies, and meeting the evolving needs of consumers, the industry can pave the way for a brighter, cleaner, and more connected future. The journey toward the future of the automotive industry is an exciting and dynamic one, requiring courage, vision, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, let us remember that the road ahead may be uncertain, but the potential rewards are immeasurable. Together, we can shape a world where transportation is efficient and sustainable and seamlessly integrated into the very fabric of our lives. So what do you have to say about the huge financial shift in the auto industry? Do you think these challenges can be overcome? Or do you see manufacturers heading for a windfall? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video and would like more on related matters, like the auto industry, electric vehicles, and technology in general, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.